Welcome to day 7 of our Royal Caribbean Alaska Inside Passage cruise. Today is another sea day.
From 56 different countries.
The flags of 4 countries from where they start.
Visit Argentina.
That's the dancer.
But not just a Royal Serenade, this is any Royal Caribbean ship. They are also the only continent, actually the only nationality in every single continent. They are in engine, culinary, bar, guest services, entertainment, finance. They taking over, ladies and gentlemen. With 350 crew, the Philippines!
I'm on deck 5. Just going for a walk. Look at those hard-working crew members repainting the railing. Oh, you can actually see, oh, it's windy. You can see land over there. It's probably part of Alaska. So we're on our way to Vancouver. So, and we should be in Vancouver in less than 24 hours. There we can see the land out there. Probably either part of British Columbia or Alaska. Finally made it to the gym. Now no energy, but we'll see what we can do. Surprising that it's not crowded, even though it's a sea day. Anyway, I tried to walk outside, but it's too cold, so I'll do some weights and then do maybe the treadmill after that. We'll see.
Okay, so this one long thing will be wrapped around but seems to be legs.
That's kind of obscene.
And you're gonna still decide.
It's probably
A panda. A
Elephant.
koala.
an
A
elephant.
giraffe.
Oh my.
What are we doing, kids? Look at this. Oh, Glenn, the team is so proud of you. Right there. They're like, good job, Glenn. Look at you. What animal has a long neck?
Giraffe. Oh, it's a giraffe.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have right now in the center?
Not quite.
Is it safe to be in the center? Ladies and gentlemen, the giraffe.
Oh, that's a giraffe. Oh
We
yeah.
have
Lunchtime again, and Windjammer, and I have shrimp cocktail, seafood chowder, and a French bread bowl, and I have fish and chips minus the chips. I have rice and green Thai green vegetable curry. The tropical theater.
Do you remember the date
Game show.
of your first date?
January 1982.
Very good, Jerry. And what did you do?
We were just out with some friends at some bars, And I went to an Italian restaurant.
Okay, nice. Italian restaurant. Very good, very good. Question number 2, gentlemen. We want to know, when you first saw your spouse, first lay your eyes at her, you said, wow, look at that. Look at those. Hey, Tian, where were you guys for your first date? Where did you go?
We went to the Maple Rose for dinner. It's a restaurant in Peterborough.
Yeah, and when? A little bit closer to the mic.
February. Oh, sorry.
Let me tell you, the questions will get harder than that, honey. He provided us a month and a year.
January 2nd.
Oh.
Which year?
2023.
Do we have an attorney here? I think we'll need it. He actually said December 6th, 2021.
One.
Yeah. No point. She did say the right place, right? You're Erica, you and Josh. Where were you doing the?
I'd like to preface this with we are very clean, hygienic people.
More you explain, worse it gets, honey.
It was in a porta potty.
Would it be the mid couple? Or would it be the longest marriage? Actually, winning with points and entertainment. Give it up for the mid couple, Eric and
I'm here all week.
Now, folks, we do have one more surprise, one more gift to you. As you can see, it's not everybody who is here with us this afternoon. So what we've done, we record the TV show, and you guys will be on channel number 1 until the end of the cruise. We're gonna be celebrities. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Dance
3.
class
1,
at the
2,
Centrum.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Swing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Are you ready for the next step? So now, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Back on deck 5 here, watching the live performance at the Centrum, deck 4. It's the what is it? Caribbean Waves duo. Dinner in the Reflections dining room on deck 5. Our last dinner. Thank you. I'm thinking of getting the Mediterranean tapas medley, and then maybe the chicken chetinad. And I don't know about that. I don't know. Crema catalana, maybe. What's this? My appetizer is tapas medley, hummus, and main dish. It's you just eat it and dip it. It's chicken chetinad with chicken curry, of course, and jasmine rice, papadam, and puri with dip. Live entertainment at the Centrum. From the Centrum, deck 4. I will probably be copyrighted. This is a Filipino band called Music Adventure.
I'm gonna hurt someone before the night is through. nothing we can do. Everybody wants to hurt somebody. Every tick's all night. Everybody wants to take a little chance. They can come out right.
Battle of the sexes. What are they trying to do? They're trying to pass the balls without their hands.
Oh my god, what's going on? You can actually run, that's fine. Alright, so now we give you one keychain each, okay? You got one keychain, take one keychain for you, sir. One keychain for you, one keychain for you, one. Okay, good. So we see that each one you have a keychain, we have the cups here. So the task is to put all the keychains inside the cup. Okay, the person who will with all 6 keychains inside the cup will win. Ask me how. You're not gonna toss it, you're not gonna throw it. You will place that keychain between your legs, okay? And you will throw the cups. You can walk, you can skate, you can jump. Once you get to the cup, aim, squat, drop. Okay? So the person who will complete all the 6 keychains will win. Now if you lose the keychain, if you drop the keychain, you pick it up. Or if you miss the cup, you pick up the keychain and you go back online. Alright? Are you ready? So here we go. Okay. You want to be yourself? You want to be yourself. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. You lost it, man, you lost it. Okay, 1, still, 1. Okay. Very good technique. Very good. 2 for the boys, 1 for the ladies still. Yes, 3 for the count. Good. 3 for the boys. Still 1 for the ladies. Missed. So you need to go back and right. So 2 for the ladies, 2 for the boys. Oh, missed. Oh, that's it. Oh, missed it. Missed it, so you need to go back to line. So 3 for the boys. Missed. And yes, it's the time, 4 for 4. 2 more to go. 5 for the boys. They got the jump and we lost it. Last one for the boys. Yes! It's over, ladies. It's over. Going back.
Come on!
3, 2, 1, stop. Alright, it's the same now. Number 4. Oh, number 3 is the highest in the back. Stay in the back. Boys on number 4 is next to him. You got it. Hip for the boys. Nice. Good. Alright. Next thing, hip to hip. And boys go up for number 5 with a squat. Let's see if they're gonna make it. Alright, so let's go fast. Side to side, go ladies, hip to hip. All of us are for the boys. Ladies down below. Raise your hand, yeah? And
It's around 8:30 p.m. and I'm on deck 5 going for a walk out here. Nobody else is here. I think it's because it's a little chilly. I think that the ship, the captain made an announcement that there was some mechanical problems with the ship, so we're not going through the inside passage. Instead, we're just going on a straight path towards Vancouver. We still expect to arrive in Vancouver very early tomorrow morning. Then we disembark. That would be the end of the cruise.